I already love the color scheme of this, and I haven't even opened it all the way yet. This color, this kind of mustardy color, is part of my website. So, oh, this is so interesting that the swatches are really matching up with my new website for Long Haul Pro Fitness. So that is really inspiring to see as I first open it. I can see like a little peekaboo of those post-it notes, and wow, I'm already really excited as I'm get to this point. So I start to grab everything, and I notice right away that this calendar bookmark kind of piece has some black scuffs on it from the ink. I'm gonna see if that usually comes off with a regular eraser. I think I might get lucky and it'll just come off. I'm not really worried about it though. So these are the pens, and I really debated on whether or not I would get the pens. I decided to go ahead and go for it because I ended up buying a bunch of stuff anyway. Might as well have like a little bit of a surprise each month. I'm a little bit bummed out because I did see people posting theirs already, people who got to open theirs the day before me. And they got this beautiful mauve colored highlighter. I got a blue one. I actually can't stand blue highlights. It's like I always end up choosing the yellow at work, and if I'm at home, I only use my gray mild liner. So it would have been really awesome to have gotten that mauve color, but it's okay. It would be really nice if they were all exactly the same, but I'm not complaining. It's my first box, and I'm really excited about it. As I was opening it, I wouldn't have even known to be annoyed about that color difference had I not seen someone else's. So just to give you a little bit of an insight, my website is for fitness professionals. It's all about business planning and kind of organizing and managing your clientele when you're a personal trainer or a gym owner. So it's not necessarily planning for everyone, but there is going to be a lot of really great business style content along with planners that I suppose anyone can use, but it's just fun to see that the color scheme that I chose really matches up with some of what's in here. I didn't even really think about color when I subscribed to this. I kind of just imagined everything being black and white. So the fact that there's color and it happens to be the colors that I'm using, it just kind of feels a little serendipitous. Like this is really meant to be in my planner. So it's kind of an extra fun first box just for that reason. So there are these beautiful little details here and there, a bookmark with some architecture, of course, some quotes. Some of these quotes are always pretty helpful with my fitness industry lifestyle. So when a client is in front of me and I happen to open my planner, if it opens to an inspiring quote that looks classic and looks professional, I really I really appreciate that, and I don't feel like I have to kind of explain myself. I feel like it just shows that I'm within that lifestyle, that I really am a motivator and someone who wants to be there to inspire them. So I love the style of this whole package so far. The inserts are actually exactly what I need to start my personal wide planner with. I just decided on trying personal wide for a while, so I'm glad that I got this first box in the personal wide, which is going to be my everyday carry. My A5 is for business, but this is going to give me some little hints when I open my personal wide. I'll be like, hey, don't forget about your website. Don't forget about the work you're doing. So I really like it. I like the simplicity of it. And the paper quality is just incredible. I have seen cloth and paper all over the place. This is the first time I'm really getting to touch the products. Everything just feels so luxurious. And coming from a photographer, that's kind of important to have great quality paper. So I really appreciate all of this. When I first opened this envelope, I just love the embossing. I love that text. On the cover, it's a little hard to see, but there's an embossed cloth and paper logo on the envelope cover. And I just really like the final details of maybe carrying a couple extra inserts with you or keeping some brochures organized. I really love this detail, so I appreciate that being added. Very chic way to carry around a couple of forms. So all in all, I give it a huge thumbs up. I was really happy with my first box. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of my first cloth and paper subscription box. Thank you for being here. Follow me on Instagram at Long Haul Pro Fitness. You can also listen to my podcast if you're interested in some business and planning strategies. Thanks again for being here.